Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome to this spectacular home. I mean, let's just take this in for a second. You have 200 feet of this home being on a double lot in the Colony Club, and we are overlooking Legacy Golf Club. You could be out here entertaining, just enjoying the family in the pool, watching your friends on the golf course. There are so many details about this stunning mid-century modern home that has been modernized, but has those beloved touches that we love in the home. You've got a sunken living room along with a see-through fireplace that is wood burning. You have $361,000 worth of upgrades from the backyard all the way to the spa of the main ensuite. That includes a whole shower room, its own courtyard. You've got modern kitchen appliances. The details are just too many to name. We've got to go check this out. Let's go. Welcome to this magnificent home located in the Colony Club on Panama City Beach. Let's check out what all details this has to offer. Welcome into the kitchen in this stunning house. Just some of the features you're going to find here is you've got black marble with the perimeter being quartz, as well as these beautifully modern European style cabinetry. And you've got this downlighting as well as uplighting, which you can change the color to what you feel is best. There's no detail left unturned. You also have a butler's pantry, and this butler's pantry is one to be seen. Not only is the backsplash beautiful, but you've got a continuation of these quartz countertops, plenty of space with another refrigerator. I mean, this is the ultimate entertaining house, but it just keeps going. So let's see. So you'll notice that the owners here have decorated in this mid-century modern because the home offers that style as well. You've got plenty of space here in the dining area, again, for entertaining or for your family. And what's super neat is this home originally had 4 atriums, and this one has been converted into a wine room. So you can come right in and enjoy just a small intimate space with friends. Let's keep checking it out. The details and beauty follow you throughout the home. All marble flooring has been installed with that new remodel. And here you've got 46 feet of open living space. So the way they've done it is you've got a seating area, more of TV, you have more of an intimate area here, and what I love is just the sunlight flooding in. Full wall of glass. You feel like the outdoors is actually joining you indoors. Welcome into the main ensuite. This beautiful home has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And what's extra unique with that mid-century feel is each bedroom has its own private space. This one, you've got your atrium right here, which actually leads to the main ensuite. You again have this wall of glass, so all of that outdoor space and Florida light is flooding in. You can watch the pool, you can watch everybody on the golf course. It's just stunning. So now let's go see that ensuite. So this ensuite, as promised, is just as beautiful as the rest of the home. You have a spa in here. This whole room is just your water space. And you have heated flooring throughout this whole main ensuite. It's absolutely stunning. And again, you have these views of the courtyard that's available to you as you're enjoying, whether it's your shower or your tub. So as we continue through this stunning ensuite, you do have a vanity mirror here for you, as well as the dual sinks. Additionally, the closets have been customized with closet organizers and cabinets and shelving. So now you also have a sauna, and look at this beautiful extension of the spa. No detail left unturned. So each bedroom, as I mentioned, has its own courtyard. And I love this. If you are sleeping in the bed, you can look out all the way to the golf course. You can see the pool, but you can be out of the sun and enjoy the beauty of the outdoors inside, just like everywhere else in this spectacular home. Did I mention this home has everything? I love the zen feeling throughout, and it starts here in the courtyard with this beautiful koi pond and this wonderful fountain, and you can just relax. So for more information, look in the listing description below. I've got the link there for you to check out all of the finer details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any other beautiful deals like this one.